The Myrtle Beach area real estate market is showing signs of a shift, but does it favor buyers or sellers? In this quick April 2025 update, I'm going to dive into the latest numbers across the Grand Strand, including oceanfront condos, Carolina Forest, and new construction. Today, we're quickly going to go through the numbers for April 2025 for the Grand Strand as a whole, the oceanfront condo buildings, the Carolina Forest area, and then we're going to end with an update on new construction. Let's get started.
Wait, before we get into that, have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure to do so and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly videos.
So single-family resale homes throughout the Grand Strand in April closed at an average of $495,000, which is up from March. And the average list to sales price ratio was 96.6%, about the same as the previous month. The average days on market dropped back down to 100 days, and there are fewer homes available this month. Now, a 7-month supply. However, it is still a buyer's market. The current average list price is $597,000, slightly down from last month. Moving on to the resale condo and townhomes throughout the Grand Strand, homes closed at an average of $261,000 in April, back up this month. The average list to sales price ratio was 96.8%, which is also slightly up this month. Homes stayed on the market an average of 123 days, which is back down from March, and there is now an 8.9 month supply of condos on the market, which is also down this month. However, it is still considered a buyer's market range. The current average list price is $273,000, which is up from last month. Now, let's take a look at the April sales for condos along the oceanfront. These condos closed at an average of $346,000, which is back up this month. The average list to sales price ratio was 95.7%. The average of 151 days on market is up from the previous month, but there's now a 12.6 month supply of condos on the market, which is back down this month. However, it is definitely still in a buyer's market range. The current average list price is $319,000, which is slightly lower than March. Moving inland to the Carolina Forest area, in the month of April, the single-family resale homes closed at an average of $495,000, which is back up this month. The average list to sales price ratio was 97%, also up from March. Homes sold a little quicker again this month at an average of 107 days on market. There is now an 8-month supply of homes on the market, which is down from March, but still in a buyer's market range. The current average list price is $565,000, which is slightly down from last month. For the condos and townhomes in the Carolina Forest area, in the month of April, the average sold price was $225,000, which is back up this month. The average list to sales price ratio was 97%, slightly down from March. The average days on market went down to 93 days. As we ended the month, we are at a 7.8 month supply of homes, which is a big drop back down this month, but still a buyer's market range. The current average list price is $226,000, which is up from March. Now finally, let's take a look at new construction sales throughout the Grand Strand. The average sold price for new homes in April was $445,000, which is up from March. The list to sales price ratio was about the same at 98.3%. As a quick summary, single-family homes average higher sold prices with tighter inventory and quicker sales. It's still a buyer's market, but moving toward balanced. Condos and townhomes climbed back up in sold prices, with days on market dropping and stronger list to sales price ratios. Oceanfront condos also went back up in sold prices, showing renewed buyer interest, though there's still solid room for negotiation. Carolina Forest Homes, both single family and condos, saw an upward trend in sold prices, with less inventory and faster movement. New construction also jumped up in the sold prices and continues to attract buyers with strong pricing and consistent demand. So, pretty much, sold prices are up across the board and inventory is down. One key factor, lower mortgage rates in recent months may have been fueling this momentum, giving buyers more purchasing power and helping more sellers firm up their asking prices. While it's still technically a buyer's market, April marked a noticeable shift compared to earlier in the year, suggesting a slow but steady swing towards seller-friendly conditions. If you're wondering if now is the right time for you to buy or sell here in the Grand Strand, give us a call. We would love to discuss the best plan for you. And before you go, if this information is helpful, we would greatly appreciate if you would leave a like on this video, and remember, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our weekly videos.
Hereda team to help you buy a house. Hereda team also helps you sell your house.